Hey guys, just wanted to go over something really quick with you. It has to do with some maintenance on these vehicles that's important to check. It's the cabin air filter. Now, as you guys know, I don't drive a whole lot, but I wanted to check the air filter out, the cabin filter. Since I just had the service done on this car and they suggested doing it, I want to charge me $90, so I thought it's a good time to check it too and let you guys know what it looks like. So if you guys remember my last video I did, it's really easy to get to. Please don't pay someone to do this. Real simple here. There's this lever that holds it on and these two pins. There's one on each side that you just push in and they pop out of the hole. It's really easy. So the first thing you want to do is pop this little lever and then allow those to release. If you see here how it's out of the hole. It's really easy. The first thing you got to do is take this. So you're going to take the pressure off and just push it back really hard. It's not going to break, don't worry. It sounds like it's going to feel like it's going to break. It's not. And then once you do that, then you pop these pins, just push it in. It flexes the plastic and then it's going to release. And then you can just pivot it down. It's not all going to come out. The glove box isn't going to fall out, but it's just going to pivot out of the way. So that's all you have to know. See how it hooks on there? So to get it out, you push down. And then there is the cover for the cabin air filter. Just notice how it says airflow down. It has to go back that way. So the airflow comes in through the cabin from the top to bottom. So there's just these two tabs on either side. And just pull the cover out. Be careful not to drop it because then it can get wedged in behind there. So remember, airflow down. And as you can see, look how dirty that is. And I don't drive much. This car has 2,900 miles on it as of today. And look how dirty this thing is. And you're seeing it first time I'm seeing it too. So again, airflow down. You should be able to read the word Honda on it. And check this thing out. It definitely does its job. Look at all the debris and stuff it catches. And like I said, if you guys are driving 10,000 miles a year, my recommendation is every 6 months to replace this. It really makes a difference as far as the air quality inside the car. Even smells better. If you have one looking even remotely like this, you put a new one in there, it's going to smell a lot better, the air coming out of your vents. So if you have kind of a musty smell, definitely check your cabin air filter out first. For the price of this, it's really cheap. Here's the part number, the OEM part numbers for these. They always change them, so these two are the same thing. You can go aftermarket if you want. They're like 20 something bucks for the Honda ones. Like I said, for the quality of the air you'll get, definitely replace it at least twice a year. And then check in here too. There's a fan in the bottom of this. It's like a little bucket. Spin it. Make sure there's nothing rattling inside there, because they can have a leaf stuck in there. And then some people have heard something rattling around. It's just a leaf. It gets stuck in there, and as it spins, it just rubs against the side. So make sure that's clean. Nothing in there. Get a vacuum if you need to, and then put the new one back in. Really simple install. Anybody can do this. Like I said, they wanted to charge me $89 when they had my car in there for the oil change. That's crazy. That's $20 for the filter and probably $15 for their cost. So they're charging you $60 to do this. Very easy to do. So here it is all. I snap the cover back on. Then you're going to push the ears in a little bit. And then push this lever. It extends too, so you're going to push it down all the way and then pull it towards you. And you're going to feel it snap. Pull it really hard and it pops on. And then just push it back up and those little pins snap in. Now you're done. Done. That's all you have to do. Again, I can't stress that enough. It's important to check that. Like I said, I'm surprised because I only drive a very small amount and it still gets like that. So imagine if you drive 10,000 miles a year, how it looks. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Simple maintenance to do to keep your car running in tip-top shape. Definitely helps, but definitely do it yourself. Okay? Hope everyone's doing good out there. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks, everybody.